One drink for all fertility stages. Preconception. 32% sperm motility boost, UCLA. Pregnancy. Prevents cramps, 300 milligrams magnesium. Postpartum. Dairy-free lactation aid. Babies. Perfect for first cereals, older than 6 months.
Welcome to your Fertility Nutrition Hub. Ingredient Superpowers. Almonds. Vitamin E protects eggs and sperm. Water. Hydration improves cervical fluid. Dates. Natural iron for ovulation. Cinnamon. Lowers insulin resistance. Vanilla. Reduces stress hormones. Nutrition facts per cup. Vitamin E, 50% of the daily value, egg and sperm protection. Magnesium, 15% of the daily value, uterine relaxation. Healthy fats, 5 grams, hormone production. Warning: thyroid. Soak almonds 24 hours, reduces goitrogens. No honey for babies under 1 year. Want more? Try our Fertility Kitchen playlist. Subscribe for weekly science-backed recipes. Next, fertility smoothie recipes.